All right, everyone. We are going to update Vara really quick here. So, Vara, I think, is going to make a really good play in this next bull cycle. I'm going to try to cover a couple of coins, it's a good list that I have of newer coins that I think are going to perform very well this bull market. So, I'll try if I can get around to making some updates on them, some picks that I have. But of course, none of this is financial advice, so we're going to update Vara really quick here. And as you can see on Vara, we're going to look at the daily chart here for a moment, and you can clearly see some sort of a falling wedge pattern has formed here. And we're in this accumulation phase here, holding over this green line I have on the chart at about 6263, which, if we draw it on the chart going from the low here to this wick high, you're sitting right on your 786 support. So you are on support. You can see it's hit it 3 times now. And it looks like only a matter of time if this is going to be a falling wedge bullish pattern here. You know, our last chance to buy in on Vara here before she decides to break our red box here, which going from the low to the high, this red box is representing of the 236, of course, and then the 618 that's above your 786 here at this green line. So anywhere in this red box, anywhere from what is that 7.6 up to about 8 pennies. Once you get over 8 pennies, that's a good step in the right direction. And I would say she's going to start being bullish after that. But ultimately, if you guys know here on the channel, we like to look at the market structure. So from the 618 resistance here at 15.9, and then we're back below the zero point 0.5 off of this wick here at 12.6, and then ultimately back below the 236 here. So there is nothing bullish when you go by market structure here. We're making these lower highs, but ultimately forming this very bullish pattern here. We're sitting on support, so it looks good right now. As long as you hold this support line here at about 6.2, we're just going to accumulate here and get ready to go, in my opinion. So watch that price closely there. If you fall below that, there is a good chance you get a wick down here, but there is also a good chance you fall back down here. And I think it's about a 28% drop down to the bottom at 4.8. But other than that, you're on support. You're in a bullish pattern here. And I think it's only a matter of time before she decides to break out here on Vara. So other than that, we can look over at the Heikin-Ashi candles, which are pretty much printing indecisive, as you can clearly see here in this accumulation phase. So it's just going sideways right now. It's in a bullish pattern. It's on support. And just watch that support level very closely. And then you'll know she's very bullish once we break this market structure. Once you break out of this pattern and start moving, and we get over the 382 at 10, you're bullish. And then once you break over the 0.5 at 12.6, 9 here, pretty much 12.5 pennies, and you end up breaking this wick high here, breaking this bearish market structure, then you know she's extremely bullish here over that price, over that 0.5, and she's going to start moving pretty fast probably. So we will leave it at that on Vara, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.